What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog, man. As y'all can see by that last video, bro, they done got your boy Dog, bro. So I ain't gonna lie, today we finna get our get back. So right now, I'm at the car wash right now, waiting on the guys real quick, bro. Today, y'all seen he used washable paint. We got most of it off, but it stained my dog logo on my car, bro. So now I gotta get two new dog logos custom made again, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, they ain't cheap, my nigga. So you know what? We got real paint today. Me and the hoopy today. Don't mind, it's dirty as a bitch. But we got the motherfucking real motherfucking paint today, nigga. And your rap is done for, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We easily tracked his car down, bro. So basically what's going on right now, the niggas that helped that nigga AJ out, one of them left his hood with us when they took their hood off for a cruise or whatever. So I ain't gonna lie, the only way to get his hood back, my nigga, is to give us the motherfucking Carlo. Simple as that. He got his car. I guess he helping AJ with something with his car or some shit. And he got the keys to that bitch. So we finna get, if he want his hood back, he gotta help us. So I ain't gonna lie, my nigga Trey trying to convince him right now to help us out real quick. We gonna locate the car and then we just gonna spray paint and shit. So today about to be a quick, straightforward video, cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't give a fuck about none of that shit, dude. Really fuck. I told AJ before any of this shit ever happened, bro. I told him if anybody touch my car any type of way, I'm gonna double up on their ass. I gotta one up it every single time. So I ain't gonna lie. You use washable paint, now I gotta goddamn use this regular paint on your ass. Simple as that, bro.
A few moments later.
Oh, me. Fucking doing the slide on white bitch. Yeah, let me get that white. That white gonna be mad. Hell no, this the shit you put in your calipers and engine and shit. Get Reggie in that bitch. What color you got, guys? What color you got, Orange. That shit. Straight out on the hood. Straight on the hood, oh God. Man. Bitch ass think I'm a one up you one now, nigga. You use washable, I'm using real paint, man.
Look, hey, we had to get our get back, man. We had to, man. We got my boy Reggie with us today. Yeah, man. So look, hey, when you come back for your get back, get him too.
Oh, please. That's what we got going on, man. He about to be pissed. Oh. And this real paint, gang. What the fuck you writing? Look, dick. Hold on. Ain't he on the tee out too? I'm gonna. Tee out. Wait, you gotta type a name in that bitch, right?
Or put Avita. Put Avita. T app. SOT. Damn, your shit like good.
Oh, man.
My shit like good. I need that.
Me fuck, bro.
Hold on, look, you put Avita down.
Fuck, bro. Hold on, I gotta fix that E. There we go. There we go. Fuck, bro.
I'm finna put snitch on her too.
I forgot to spell cheater, bro.
Spell it wrong, nigga.
Huh?
Spell it wrong on purpose.
That bitch is all put a T. C-H-E-O-T. What the fuck I got going on, bro? Unmasked SCAT man. He's gonna get pissed. Fuck, dude. Shit. Hey, you wanna play tic-tac-toe? Come on, Rick. Come on, bro. Let's play tic-tac-toe. I'm on soul.
Get the black bitch. No, hold on. You need the orange.
Oh, me.
You gotta get a color. Dog.
I think he's the same one. Fuck.
Tic-tac-toe is crazy. Tic-tac-toe is insane.
That's a circle shit.
Go for this.
That's a circle.
Oh, he finna spank that ass. Quick.
On me.
X-Men.
Go in the middle. Go in the middle.
No, he can't.
Two-way middle. Go in the middle. Go in the middle.
Wait, there we go. Oh!
Oh, yeah, you're good.
You're good, buddy.
No, put a stripe to that bitch. Fuck wrong with these niggas.
Alright, bro. So you definitely used some washable paint on my shit, but you stained my logo, my G. So I gotta up it, cuz. I ain't gonna lie. We using real spray paint on your bitch ass, nigga. Come on, follow me. Make sure y'all follow me. If you watching this, follow me on the ground. it. Dog.
Hey, and come over here.
That real paint. Fuck your rap, bro. You fucked my logo up. Fuck your rap, bro. Really gotta change your rap, nigga.
We really don't give a fuck, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, you fucked my logo up. If you ain't fucked my logo up, we'd have probably been cool. But fuck you now, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. You wasting my time and money. So now I'm finna waste your rap, nigga. Simple as that, nigga.
Hey, look. I ain't gonna lie. Niggas wanted to hit our shit late at night, bro. We hit niggas shit through the day.
Dirty.
We don't give a fuck about your neighbors. Your neighbors come outside, we switching their ass down.